My name is Felipe Torres, and my professional practice was done in Banco Vice. From its beginning, the objective of the company has been to offer excellent banking services, always oriented to business and people banking. Banco Vice stands out in these services because of its high level of specialization in foreign trade, financing and investment projects, and its advisory role in the field of corporate investments. The work was done at the Management Control Department. The main activity of this department is to unify the information flows from the people banking, businesses, and subsidiaries. With the information consolidated in one database, they can create reports for every division in the bank. The work done in Banco Vice consisted of three branches. The processes documentation was the first task done in the office. It was very useful to understand how the operations were done, what information they manage, who does what task, what software they use, etc. In other words, the first task was very important for getting started and having a general view of the work done in this department. The second task was in order to break down the processes and analyze them step by step to find possibilities for improvement, to build a process flow, to have a general view of the process and determine what to do to optimize the process. The final task was to consolidate some information. The first step in this branch was to upload commissions information to a SQL table in SQL Developer. This is because commissions of 3 months occupy approximately 1 million lines in Excel, so commission of 2020s and 2021s were spread out in about 10 separate Excel files. You can import CSV files into SQL, so apparently it wasn't too complicated to upload information. However, not having desktop Microsoft Office application and not having the possibility of transforming an Excel into SV in the Office web, the need of another tool appears. Here's where ClickView comes in handy. You can write a script so ClickView reads the Excel and transform it into a SV file. Then you just create the table in SQL with the columns needed, and then from inside you import CSV in order to upload the information. The most challenging part of the work done was to consolidate some files that the analyst took from various web disks. These files correspond to some of the product the bank offers. In order to do this, I upload the files into tables in SQL, and then with queries created by me, you can access the information from ClickView connected to SQL of all the products needed in just one table in a standardized format. For the company analysis, it is worth mentioning that despite the political and health problems, every division is working hard to maintain the operation as always, consolidating a net profit of 74 million pesos. Analyzing the practice, the work done is very important for the company because the queries created, the process, and the flows are permanent in time. They will have this creation in the property for whatever they need. About the queries, these queries save a lot of time in gathering information from different files. That means by the end of the month, they will be able to upload the information faster and will have more time to check the information, matches other sources of information, and do other processes. As a personal opinion, my professional practice was very challenging event of my life as a student. The work wasn't easy, and I had to research a lot while learning about new stuff involving SQL, Excel, and ClickView. The technical level of what was done was advanced, and I feel that it will be very important tool in the future of my professional life. This professional practice was a full-time day, giving me facilities to assist or attend my university meetings with the writing center, external guide for the title project, and the professor of my last course called Estudio de Casos en Gestión de Operaciones. These working days, leaving college reunions aside, simulates professional life as if it was completely real. For me, this helps me to realize what is waiting for me when I graduate from university. In other words, my professional practice was a personal growth, challenging, Motivating, exhaustive but enriching, and above all, an incredible experience. Thanks.